Hey all, welcome back to the Yes Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with one of my favorite brands haul video again, and that is Esteelauder. I have been loving their products lately and it's so nice. I know it's expensive but it's worth it, totally worth it. So I got another, there was another offer, so I thought I'll pick one of the products which I've been eyeing on. If you have not watched my previous videos, oh, I was wearing the same t-shirt. If you have not watched my previous videos, I'll link that here so you can check it out. And the purchase which I made is this advanced night repair eye concentrate. Recovery serum is really popular and very popular. So I have used the eye cream. I wanted to try this one as well and see how it works. So the packaging is like this, and this comes the info slip where you can see how it works and all. Is the product, it's so nice. It's really nice kind of packaging. It's always Esteelauder products are really nice, and especially their glass packaging is really good. And this is their advanced night repair eye concentrate matrix, and this is of 15 ml. It comes in a wand like this. It smells like oranges to me somehow, I don't know, but it has a stopper, so it makes sure that you're not taking up a lot of product. And I am excited to try this one and see how it works wonders for my eyes, because I sleep very late and I am not following a very good sleep pattern. I know I have to, so which actually makes sure that it has dark circles all the time. So I wanted to try something which actually can make my eyes relax and soothe. I bought this. I've got loads of goodies free, and unless there is something offer, I don't pick it up because I have to pay shipping charges as well. So I only make sure that I purchase either it is on sale or when they have offers like this. So I have everything in this bag. They also have offers currently going on with the same kind of thing. They have two options. I choose this one, and this is it says Esteelauder here, and then it really has cute little lipsticks and balloons, the parachute clouds. It's really pretty. I had to purchase this concentrate and then a tiny sample size of mascara to make sure I am eligible for this free gift. So there was another offer again, so I bought this travel size of mascara. It's the Pure Color NV Lash Multi FX mascara. It says it's mascara multi FX 3 looks 1 mascara, so I'm excited to see how it can be used for 3 looks. Oh, it has different wand. Can you see? This is here and then it's different wand here. So I think you can use this wand multi ways and to create like different looks. Oh, that's intelligent. I've not seen any mascara like that. I'm not sure. If you know something, let me know in the comments down below, so I'd love to try that. So this one was like 600 rupees, I believe. Yes, this is the one. Then I got goodies. I get 6 products in it, including bag. It's like 7 products. Let me jump into what I have got. So the first one I got is this Revitalizing Supreme Plus Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. They add makeup bag and also skincare. I picked up skincare because Esteelauder skincare is really nice, and I don't have anti-aging cream, so I want to try this one. It's really, as I always say, the deluxe sizes are so nice to use and see if it works, and it's really nice. I may also try to ask my mom to see if she likes it so I can get a full size for her. And then I got this eye balm. This is a global anti-aging cell power eye balm as well. It's really nice. It's a 5 ml product. Normally the full size is 15 ml. You get 5 ml in the sample as gift, so it's really nice. So these two are from the same range, which is so cute and adorable. And the third thing you get is this Revitalizing Supreme Plus. I think everything is anti-aging theme. So it's a global anti-aging instant refining facial. Yes, this is how it is. It's 30 ml. Okay, it says it's used for anti-aging. You have to apply a thin layer to clean damp skin, massage gently using circular motion, rinse thoroughly, use twice a week, not more than that. Best results, use in shower. Oh, avoid eye area. And the other 3 are makeup products. So this is so nice. I think the bag is actually in collaboration with Quentin Jones. I'm sure Quentin Jones might be a blogger or an actress. I don't know. I'm sorry for that. If you know Quentin Jones, let me know. And this is actually a limited edition all over shimmer or illuminator. This is a 4.75 grams. I think this is a full size. You get, so it's an all over body face, and I think it's all over shimmer, so you can use it on face and body. This is the fourth product, and then we have this lash volumizing mascara, which is deluxe size. And then this is the lipstick I think I got in the first order as well, and this is another shade. Okay, this is power mode, so that's good, it's not the same shade. Oh, it's so cute. Let me swatch it here. Oh my god, it's so adorable and cute. I will love this. This is so creamy and smooth on lips. I love creamy lipsticks. And yes, this is the gift I got. And also there was another offer going on where you can get 3 additional free products. So I got this. This is a full size Esteelauder Micro Essence. This is the infusion mask. It's one sheet and it says you have to apply this on clean skin twice a week, remove mask from packet and place on face avoiding eye area, leave for 10 minutes, then remove and discard. Gently press in any remnant essence. I think this is really expensive. It's a full size. I don't know the price of it, but it's really expensive. And the next one is this micro essence. I have been eyeing to know how it works, and good that it is in the sample. So this is a skin activating treatment lotion. Packaging is so nice. And the last thing I got is this cute little sample of eye concentrate. I also full size what I've got. Oh my god, it's like so cute and adorable. And let me see if it has a wand. Oh, it has a wand. See? It's so tiny. It's so nice. Then lastly I got this Nightwear Plus 3-minute detox mask. I think this is a one-time use, but it's really nice. So yes, this is all I have got, and I'm so happy. As always, I get points. I think now I have points that I can use for discount or get an additional product. I'm not sure if it's full or deluxe, but it's a win-win situation. Like if you really want to try this out, you know, with shipping it's really nice, because on Nykaa this is very damn expensive as far as I felt. So yes, this is all I have, and thanks all for watching this video. And if my subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also there's a small ting button, don't forget to hit that, so you'll be notified with all my future videos.